Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we will gonna talk about how you can transfer your files, videos and photos in your iPhone. So if you are an iPhone user, you can transfer your files easily, so without any software or specific software for iPhone. Apple gives you an official software. So with Apple product, you need to download iTunes app for your Windows or Mac or Ubuntu PC. So then you can transfer your files. So let's go to the screen. So I'll show you how you can transfer your file by using iTunes or Apple software. So guys, so now we are on a screen right now. So let's get started. So as I told you there, so today I'm gonna tell you how you can transfer your files to iOS. So if you have an iPhone, so it's really hard to transfer your file in Windows PC or a desktop PC. Now all you just need Apple software. You need iTunes, as I have already installed that software. So this is the iTunes Music. So this iTunes software is official Apple software that you need to download it. Then simply just you need to connect your iPhone device with your lightning cable that you have, and so I'm just connecting it. So I'm just connecting my iPhone device with. So as I connect, so it will ask the password or confirmation that you want to trust this device. So now it's syncing this device. So as you notice that Apple iPhone appears over here. So here it is. So here it is. You can see my iPhone device is connected over there. So now you can transfer your files via different applications. So it's simply the drag and drop. Now after connecting this device, you just need to install any application like Share It. For example, I wanna send this file, so I simply just drag and drop. So here it is. I have already have this file, so replace it. So here it is, simple. So that's simple how you can copy your file via iTunes. So hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up.